Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning a trip and tired of checking bags, paying extra fees, or dealing with damaged luggage, then you are in the right place. Today we are counting down the top 6 best hard-shell carry-on luggage options of 2026. These are bags that are airline-approved, durable, lightweight, and honestly just really smart choices for any kind of traveler, whether you're flying for business, heading out on vacation, or just trying to pack smarter. We've done the research so you don't have to. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 6, we have the Sweet Crispy Hard Shell ABS Carry-On, and honestly, for the price point this bag punches way above its weight. If you're a budget-conscious traveler who still wants quality, this one deserves your attention. The dual-wheel spinner system on this bag is one of the first things you'll notice. It doesn't wobble, it doesn't drag, it just glides. Whether you're rushing through a crowded airport terminal or navigating a narrow train aisle, the movement feels smooth and effortless. The ABS hard shell exterior gives it that solid, protective feel without making it unnecessarily heavy. It's lightweight enough that you're not burning through your carry-on weight allowance before you even pack a single shirt. Inside, the organization is surprisingly thoughtful. You get a wet and dry mesh compartment system, X-shaped securing straps, and expandable capacity, so if you're the kind of person who always comes home with more than they left with, this bag has got you covered. The integrated TSA-Approved lock means your belongings stay safe at both domestic and international checkpoints. The telescopic handle adjusts smoothly to different heights, which is a small detail that makes a big difference on a long travel day. For anyone looking for a reliable starter bag, the Sweet Crispy is a solid number 6. Coming in at number 5 is the Rockland Melbourne Hardside Expandable Spinner in mint, and yes, that mint color is as fresh looking in person as it sounds. But more importantly, this bag is a workhorse. Measuring 20 inches with wheels, the Rockland Melbourne is explicitly confirmed to meet the size restrictions for United, American, Delta, Southwest, and Allegiant Airlines. If you fly any of those carriers regularly, that's one less thing to stress about at the gate. The multi-directional double spinner wheels make navigating busy airports feel almost fun, or at the very least, way less of a hassle. The sturdy ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle has a solid, premium feel that you don't always get at this price range. Inside, there's a mesh zip pocket and an elasticated pocket to help you stay organized. The ABS material keeps it lightweight while still offering real durability for repeated trips. It's a simple, clean, dependable bag that does exactly what it promises. The Rockland Melbourne earns its spot at number 5 for being consistently reliable without any unnecessary frills. At number 4, we have the Kenneth Cole Reaction Out of Bounds 20-inch hard shell spinner, and this one brings a little bit of style along with serious functionality. Kenneth Cole is a name you already trust in fashion, and that reputation carries right into this luggage. The bag is made with a hard-shell ABS and PC material combination, and it features molded corner guards for extra protection where luggage typically takes the most beating. The interior is lined with tear-resistant polyester, which tells you that Kenneth Cole thought about the long game here. Dual-sided packing with compression straps and a hanging zipper pocket means this bag is built for people who like to stay organized, even mid-trip when things inevitably get a little chaotic. The 4 360-degree spinner wheels are smooth, quiet, and effortless, which matters a lot when you're rolling through a quiet hotel lobby at 5 in the morning. The telescoping trolley handle has a push-button release for simple one-handed use. And here's the kicker. This bag comes with a limited lifetime warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. That kind of confidence from a manufacturer tells you they stand behind what they make. For a blend of style and reliability, Kenneth Cole earns number 4. At number 3, we have the Bella Coronia Vogue's 20-inch carry-on, and this one is for the traveler who refuses to look boring at the baggage claim. The official Bella Coronia artwork on this bag transforms it from a piece of luggage into a statement piece. The nature-inspired designs are vibrant, unique, and genuinely turn heads. If you're tired of standing at the carousel trying to figure out which plain black suitcase is yours, this is the bag that solves that problem permanently. But it's not just about looks. The 4 spinner wheels offer smooth 360-degree movement. The integrated top handle and side carry handles make lifting and maneuvering easy in tight spaces, and the fully lined interior with adjustable compression straps keeps your belongings organized and in place throughout the journey. You can also choose between just the 20-inch carry-on or opt for the full 3-piece luggage set that includes a 24-inch and 28-inch as well, which is a great value if you're building out your whole luggage collection. The Bella Coronia Vogues is the perfect pick for the style-forward traveler who doesn't want to sacrifice function for fashion. It earns a well-deserved spot at number 3. Alright, we're into the top 2 now, and number 2 is the Wrangler 20-inch Astral Hardside Carry-On, a bag that honestly feels like it was designed by someone who actually travels a lot and got tired of the small frustrations. Here's what sets this one apart from everything else on this list. It has a built-in 3 inches to 1 cup holder, phone holder, and USB charging port on the back of the bag. Let that sink in for a second. You can keep your coffee or water bottle right there on your suitcase, prop up your phone while you wait at the gate, and charge your devices, all without digging through your carry-on or hunting for an outlet. For anyone who travels frequently, that level of convenience is not a gimmick, it's genuinely useful. The 360-degree 4-wheel spinner system handles crowded airports with ease, the hard side shell provides serious protection for your belongings, and the top and side carry handles give you multiple ways to grip and move the bag. The design is sleek and modern enough for business travel but practical enough for a weekend getaway. The Wrangler Astral is a smart, thoughtful bag that absolutely earns its spot at number 2. And at number 1, the best hard-shell carry-on luggage of 2026, it's the Swissgear 7366 hard-side expandable spinner, and honestly, it wasn't even a close call. Swissgear has 125 years of innovation behind them, and every single detail of the 7366 reflects that legacy. The packing space comes in at 19 by 14 by 10 inches, with an overall footprint of just 22 by 14.25 by 10 inches, compact, but efficient. The 4 360-degree multidirectional spinner wheels are smooth, durable, and genuinely a pleasure to use. The ABS construction is built to withstand daily wear and tear without ever looking beat up or cheap. Retractable molded lift handles add extra convenience when you need to hoist it into an overhead bin. But here's the feature that sealed the deal, the patented built-in fold-out cup holder. Just like the Wrangler, Swissgear recognized that travelers need their hands free, and they engineered a clean, integrated solution right into the bag. No add-ons, no attachments, it's just there, built into the design. And then there's the warranty. Swissgear backs this bag with a 10-year extended warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. 10 years. That is an extraordinary level of confidence from a brand, and it tells you everything you need to know about how much faith they have in this product. Often imitated, never equaled, their words, but they've absolutely earned the right to say it. The Swissgear 7366 is the best hard-shell carry-on you can buy in 2026. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 best hard-shell carry-on luggage options of 2026. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and drop a like, it seriously helps the channel more than you know. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop our next travel gear review. Got questions about any of these bags? Leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.